So we've had a hard day on the old 28, and when I say hard day, we've went from 11 till 3 with a lunch break in between. And so we just wanted to have a shout out to Brian.
Hey Brian!
Brian! Oak Swamp. Cheers mate, thanks for the shout out. How's it, Gavin Ace here from the old Parakao store. Today we're going to do a video on our jam that we had a couple of Sundays ago. We had the dirt drags last Sunday and we had our jam the Sunday before that, 2 Sundays before that. So we're getting a bit behind with our videos, but we're just trying to keep them coming. So we thought we haven't done videos of our jams, and we don't generally do them because you know, no one's rehearsed. People just get up and sing, and like things can go wrong, and we don't want to embarrass people or anything. So but so we don't generally put them up, but we thought we'd just do one to show what jams are like. Basically, we'll probably get a copyright infringement more than likely, or a strike for playing someone else's music, but anywho, we're going to do it anyway. And yeah, just to give people an idea what our jams are sort of like. We've had all sorts of GoPro problems. So some of it's on my phone, some of it's off Jodie's phone, and we had the GoPro going, but it keeps flicking the card off and all sorts of things. And then when it came night time, it didn't go very well. So we've missed a lot of just the guys that get up one at a time and sing along with whoever's playing. So, which was a bit unfortunate. But we got some good stuff from the beginning of the night. Yeah, and we've had all that problems with our mud drags too. Jimmy went for a good ride with one of the best wagons there, and it never came out. And but we'll do a video on that anyway. We've got enough footage to get something up. Yeah, so like, share and subscribe and all that sort of carry on, and take it easy, mate.
Breakfast this morning because I was quite full from all the next wine in such top shape.
new subscribers just lately. I'd like to thank them all for subscribing. Thank all our old subscribers, new ones, and yeah, take it easy, mate.